Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you remember episode 1? We talked about a lion. Singapore means Lion City. Today we will meet a very special lion. It is half lion, half fish. It is the Merlion. First, a new word. Symbol. A symbol is a special sign. It tells a story. This flag is a symbol of Singapore. How about the Merlion? It is also a symbol of Singapore. Now look at the Merlion. Do you see the head of a lion? The body of a fish. Half lion, half fish. Say it with me. Half lion, half fish. One part of two equal parts. Why a lion? Remember long ago, a prince saw a lion here in Singapore. He called this place Singapura. Singa means lion. That is why. Why a fish? Long ago, Singapore was a fishing village. A fishing village. A small town near the water. The people lived near the sea. The fish body reminds us of the sea. So lion and fish. The Merlion stands at Marina Bay. It is 8 meters tall. Very, very big. And water comes out of this mouth into the sea. Tourists love the Merlion. They take many photographs. Okay, let's practice our new words. Symbol, a special sign. Say it with me. Symbol, symbol. Great. Half, one part of two. Half lion, half fish. Fishing village, a small town near the water. Singapore was a fishing village. Can you say it? Fishing village. Sea, big water like the ocean. Singapore is near the sea. Famous. Everyone knows it. Now, the Merlion is famous all over the world. Very good, everyone. Now, quiz time. Question 1. The Merlion has the body of a what? Fish? Yes, the body is a fish. Great. Question 2. The Merlion has the head of a what? Lion. Yes. Brr. Question 3. Where does the Merlion stand? Marina Bay in Singapore. Very good. Fantastic. Wonderful. You really are good at this. If you like this story, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button and press the bell. Don't miss our next episode. In the next episode, I will tell you about Singapore's famous food. Famous food. So delicious. See you next time.